I'm going to show you a lazy way to make up to 100k to 200k monthly talking to people using this single platform. Stay tuned. Hi there, it's Leo here again. I create content around online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. To join this family, go ahead and smash the subscription button of this channel. And after smashing the subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome video just like this one you are watching. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. I appreciate you're always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I want to let you know that I don't take it for granted. In today's video, I'm going to take a step-by-step lazy way, like a very lazy way to make up to 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira monthly talking to people using this single platform. I know this sounds crazy, but the good thing about this is you only need your smartphone and internet connection to get started, which means that a stay-at-home mom can actually do this. A student and someone looking for side hustle can actually jump into this and start making money. But before I go into this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to boop the like button of this video in appreciation. Alright, and if you're still yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscription button. Alright, after smashing the subscription button, turn on the bell notification beside it so you get notified anytime we drop awesome videos just like this one you are watching. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video.
Welcome, beautiful people. Now guys, the first thing I want you to do for you to get started is this. I want you to visit fiverr.com. all right, that's the first thing I want you to do. So when you visit fiverr.com, the second thing I want you to do is this. I want you to search for your friend and click on your friend. So once you search on your friend and click on it, you are going to see different profile of people rendering this particular service and the amount they charge for them to talk to people. All right, now when you go through this profile, you will see, let's see this first person. This first person said be your life coach and your friend to talk to, and this person charged $10. And then this second person said be your supportive friend and life coach, and this person charged $10. The third person said be your friend and life coach, and this person still charged $10. When you go on and on and on, you still see them. All right, now I want you to take a good look at these profiles that you're seeing here. All right, I want you to take a good look at it. Then the third thing I want you to do is this. I want you to go to Fiverr and create this kind of account. That's the third thing I want you to do. Go to Fiverr and create this kind of account. Then, but before you create this kind of account, I would like to give you 2 bonus tips that is going to help you to get clients faster. Client that is going to pay you faster. All right, I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips. Now the first bonus tip, but before I give you this first bonus tip, I want you to please click the like button of this video in appreciation. All right guys, just smash the like button of this video in appreciation. This shows that you like the value you are getting from this video, right? So I believe you have liked this video and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So let's continue with the video. Then the first bonus tip I'm going to give you for you to get clients very fast is this. I want you to, this profile that you're looking at, I want you to go through them, take a good look at this profile. All right, take a good look at this profile, then tell yourself the one that attracted you the most. That's what you are going to look out for. Look out for the one that attracted you the most, starting from the picture you are looking at and then down to the write-up you're seeing. All right, so when you look at the picture and the write-up and you've selected the one that you know that attracted you the most, I want you to do something. I want you to copy the exact thing you are seeing. All right, from the kind of picture you are seeing and the write-up. All right, I want you to take that kind of picture and also use that kind of write-up you are seeing on your own when you are creating it. That's the first thing that's the first bonus tip I'm going to give you. Now the second bonus tip is this. When you look at all these amount that these people are charging, you see that they're charging $10, $20, $15, $25. I want you to do something. I want you to reduce your own amount. For me, I would like you to reduce it to like $5. All right, there are too many lonely people out there, and despite the fact they are searching for people that they want to talk to, they are still considering their pockets. And now you are offering this service for as low as $5. This will enable clients to reach out to you. All right, so that's the second bonus tip I'm giving you. All right, and it's going to help you to get clients faster. All right, so guys, too many people don't know about this. All right, so I would recommend you jump into this, create your account, copy all those things, use this bonus tip I've given you to create your own account, and believe me, you are going to make it. I want you to come back here and thank me. In my next video, I want you to comment how much you've made so far. All right, so guys, this is what I have to give you in today's video. So guys, jump into this and start making money for yourself. So, but please don't forget to like this video and share it. I will surely appreciate. All right, thank you very much once again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I know you enjoyed this video, so why don't you boop the like button of this video in appreciation. And if you are still yet to subscribe to this channel, I want to let you know that it will not cost extra data from you for doing so. So smash that subscription button. Turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. And until next time I see you again, comrade. Bye.